what is it that you're looking for?
So I kind of just wanted to give the general synopsis of what I felt was inappropriate.
Okay.
I've got my statement here, and before I submit it, I wanted to review it with you. And if the officer involved, I still don't know the name, feels that he doesn't want this submitted against him, then he can come in and apologize and explain why he thought that was necessary to do what he did.
What's up, friends? Happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays to you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. We got a new channel, and this guy sent me a couple clips, and I want to show this to you guys, and I want you guys to go subscribe if possible. I want to support this guy, and I really do like his approach. Ever since I started my channel, I put transparency in my channel name because I always wanted to show the good and the bad. And in my opinion, sometimes we need channels that go hard, and we also need channels that do this in an educational way. And this guy is a vet, so thank you to him for serving. And without further ado, guys, go subscribe to his channel. Check out these clips.
Good morning, people. This is Josh with I Solemnly Swear. Just wanted to take a few minutes before the holidays and wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you all get to spend some quality time with your friends and family, and that it's very good for your soul. Before we all step away for the holidays, though, I kind of wanted to introduce you to someone, an Officer Dax Emery. This will be my first featured officer video. I like to think that so far I've had nothing but cordial interactions with members of the public in their official capacities until this guy. So without further ado, I'm going to give you an intro into the video you can expect later on next week. And again, I hope that you enjoy. And also enjoy your time with your friends and family and your loved ones. God bless and stand together. Love you all.
Speak up when I hop about to cut. I promise I'm gonna make a scene.
Desperado.
What's going on, y'all? So you ladies out there that you want to see some blue eyes, it's gonna be thirsty. It's gonna be a lot of thirst, actually. I'm breaking the thirst. Let's have a good time tonight, y'all.
Say word.
Which one?
I do.
Better ingredients, better pizza, better bitches, better money, my clothes better, my shoes better, I work harder.
She's the whole fucking kingdom.
Love me like you should.
All right, guys, like I said, I think this guy is doing fantastic work. He's out there making complaints. He's asking questions. He's talking to the chiefs of police. He's just out there doing a good job. And he seems to be doing it for the right reasons. And for that, I really want to support this guy's channel and help him out as much as I can. So keep watching the video, guys.
Are you guys working here? What? Do you guys work here? Yeah. Can we borrow you for 2 seconds?
What's going on?
I'm trying to do a FOIA request on some public records. Right. They won't let us in to do those, and sure, if that's understandable.
They're not gonna let you in. They may have some other reason. I don't know the reason behind it.
No worries. They said that COVID, the office is closed, and that things can be done online. But considering that it's FOIA request, there's also an obligation to get a physical copy of it, at least in person, to submit it. I know they don't have to give me the paperwork right away.
Okay.
I know they have like a time limit and everything.
Right.
I just either need the name of the person that's refusing service, or to get in and fill out what I need on a piece of paper.
Have you talked to them at the intercom?
They are refusing to answer the intercom at this point.
They may not be there. Can you see anybody at the front?
Well, the lady, we spoke with her for a few minutes, and she kept guiding us towards go online, and the whole.
Well, is there? I don't know. Is there a request form that you can do online? Have you looked?
There is.
Okay.
And it's listed on the door. It's totally listed. It's just there's an obligation to give at least a blank piece of paper. Then I can write down what I need and just hand it in. If she's not comfortable doing that, that's cool.
I don't know anything about. I'm just too training, man.
Nice.
If I can help you, I would.
Do you know how we could get a hold of a supervisor inside the facility to either get that lady's name or get my paperwork? Keep trying.
Keep trying.
Okay.
Keep trying, and then I'll step around through my office.
Awesome.
And I'll try to see.
What was your name, man?
Detective Reese.
Detective Reese. Thank
I'll
you very
fist
much,
bump
dude.
you.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
We'll.
and I'll be. What is it that you're looking for?
So I specifically, I was looking for the disciplinary history of the 2 officers involved in the Joshua Rower incident.
Okay.
And what training they had in regards to de-escalation.
Okay.
And also if there is, and I don't know this, I've read up on it, but I don't know if there is any future training that the department is going through to kind of prevent that from happening again.
Oh yeah, I can tell you as a training coordinator.
Yeah, awesome.
I can tell you what I have planned for our police department.
Okay, awesome. That'd be great. You get a chance to make Gastonia look wonderful, right? Here we go. Approximately 10 a.m. While returning home, I turned onto the portion of Highway 5 that passes the Spring Lake Country Club. That's the portion that goes downhill and leads back up towards Blacks. I didn't even see, I barely had time to see this guy coming in. He was going so fast. Okay. I was going 45. I'm a meticulous driver. I was a driver in Afghanistan, and I have issues after that. So, I mean, my girlfriend calls me grandma. She's from New Jersey. She drives fast. I have PTSD in the car. I drive slow. Sure. Do you think if you need to...
I just turned it off that way. Wasn't for you.
So I was going the limit, you know, especially when I noticed him coming up on me. I was already there, and I know he had to be speeding to catch up. That's okay. I get it. You know, y'all see traffic violations. You need to get up, get the plate, run it. I've never had an officer so close to my car. If I had, or he had sneezed or coughed, there probably would have been an incident. If a kid had come in and I needed to slam on the brakes, I certainly, I will now have footage, because I went and bought a camera for my car after this, because I did not want to get hit with the destruction of, that's what I was thinking, destruction of government property. That's where my head was going. It was such a aggressive maneuver. So he was so close, I couldn't see his bumper, lights, or anything other than him in my rear view. I couldn't see my surroundings back there. This was, you know, tailgating. Had I been violating any South Carolina traffic code, I would have understood this, but I wasn't and hadn't been. I'm very cautious while driving, teach my child to be the same. This officer wasn't. He rode me for about a mile. I'm an Afghanistan combat veteran with veteran plates, and I hadn't had an issue with PTSD until this morning, that Tuesday morning. I will, as a result of Tuesday, be seeking not medical treatment. I think that was poorly worded, but I will be going to get medication in case of an event like this before, because I had a panic attack on the side of the road. That guy was so close to my car, he couldn't have not seen that. I'm not asking for any preferential treatment, but that's a consideration, I think, that should have maybe discouraged that aggressive maneuver. If that had been what they call a jingle truck in Afghanistan, there would have been a car wreck and we would have taken their truck. Like that was poor behavior. I'm gonna skip this for a moment, but I put that this reflects extremely poorly on the York Police Department. And if I had been the one doing it to him, I would have received one, most likely more citations. I consider it road piracy by forcing someone into a violation and stealing their money, bullying in a badge, and intolerable. As I was in the worst of my panic attack, I feared for my finances, my freedom, and my life had he sneezed. We would have had an accident, and it could have went any number of ways, and it would have been unnecessary. Officers, I should have put officers' actions like this get good officers hurt, and then they cry ignorance to why a growing percentage of this country are turning their backs towards police. I think that's dangerous to the good police officers that are out there. It's vital to maintain a good relation with the public.
All right, folks, like I said, this guy is doing a good job. I really do appreciate his work. One thing I started doing when I started recording is asking cops if they knew the First Amendment of the Constitution. I don't know why I started asking them that, but it just seemed kind of important. And lo and behold, after all these videos and after about 5-6 years of me doing this, we come to find out that police officers are not really taught the First Amendment of the Constitution. And why is that important? Well, first of all, they're the ones that raise their hand and swear an oath that they never learned. Try to look online and find a video where they actually know it. It's very rare. In fact, you're going to see a bunch of videos that they're just repeating what somebody else is reading to them. It's quite embarrassing, folks. So this guy is going out and asking as well if they know the First Amendment of the Constitution, and he's putting them on the spot. And I get it. It might be a little bit difficult for anybody out there to comprehend and know what the First Amendment is. But these police officers, they swore an oath to know it and to uphold the law. Folks, the First Amendment of the Constitution was written to mirror your natural born rights. If you don't know them, you don't have any rights. How dangerous is that for you on a personal level? So I've set out to go and record and ask questions, and what I found is quite disturbing. So now many of you are picking up cameras and asking questions, and you're also asking the same question that I asked before many times. And I want to say that I really do appreciate it. I'd like to see more of it. I'd like to see more professional channels, just like this guy. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe to his channel, I solemnly swear. Let him know your friend San Joaquin sent you, and I'll see you guys over there. You guys have yourselves a good Thanksgiving, an amazing holiday, and thank you guys for watching, and thank you all who've subscribed and hit the bell. I'll see you guys in the next video.